Hello everyone, American in Thailand, back with you on Wednesday, November the 22nd. It is rice harvest time here in Thailand. We are drying some of the rice from the family rice fields right here in front of the home. We'll do that for a couple of days. So you're gonna see this all over Thailand, and in rural Thailand where they don't really have the space sometimes to dry all this rice, they will actually use part of the road to dry the rice. So watch out when you're driving. Also in the rice delivery, I forgot, you get about 500 or so crickets in with the rice. So that should be great. All right, enjoy. Hey, we'll see you soon. Hey, thanks for watching. Bye.